Okay, this is after it's taken apart. I watched all the YouTube videos on how to take it apart and put it back together, so this is what we got. This is the rest of it. See this little silver ring there? Right there? That's the problem. It's not going over this thing any way, shape, or form to make it even so I can put the bolts on. So here, let me show you. Okay, we have to put those two clips down in these two clip holes. Okay, so they're in there. Now we're going to try and put the other piece on in just a second. Okay, so then when we put it on and we make the things line up, that is as far as it goes together. You see? Now, of course, the clips came out. It's because I put them up where the two bolts are. So let's try it again. So we're going to put the clips in. Then we're going to line up the bolts. I'm going to put them in. And that is as far as it goes. And that's with me putting pressure on it. But you see this side? It's not going together. So what am I supposed to do? And I tried for an hour and a half one time yesterday and an hour and a half another time yesterday. And you see how that metal piece, it's not going around this other blade turner thing there. That piece ain't going anywhere around that, on top of it or whatever. See, that just won't work. And so I'm not going to spend an hour and a half on here doing that for you again. So I already spent 3, but that's my problem. Thank you.